Good morning, everybody here. Nowadays, it's 21st century, and technology has been developed to a very high level that can affect everybody's life. So, what is the most important things for you to control the power, control the information, the flow of the resources is satellites. Because of what? Satellites is a very important tool for our communications. If we want to communicate with other people that far away from us, satellites is always the best things to help us. Once the radio wave is transmitted to the satellite, it can be reflected or retransmitted to different areas on the Earth. And this is a very large helping hand for us if we want to control and acknowledge what is happening on the Earth. So today, this introduction seems very familiar with you because every one of us is using. So what I'm going to tell you is that we have invented a system. Our company has a plan of ejecting 126 satellites to the universe and building a very large network which is controlling the whole Earth, the flow of information. If you join our company, what you can have is that you can have the message instantly and very safe. As we all know, WhatsApps, WeChat, and some instant communication apps or tools is very low security. From the rating, the security rating that made by the interclass communication, the system, they have a very low score. They have about 10% of securities, which will make your information leak to your enemies or the people you don't want to know. So what we have is that our information is transmitted in high frequency radio wave, which is very safe from being stealed or being known from other peoples. And this can stop some foolish guy from disturbing you. And this is the first thing. And the second thing is the speed. Because high frequency radio wave can transmit faster a little bit than because during the transmission, the energy loss, the percentage of energy loss will be reduced. So the information that you transmit or during the reception and the time cost will be rather lower and with a very high frequency. So what do you mean? You can get your information instantly without a lag and controlling the information flow. And that's also, you can always get your information faster than some stupid guy that always want to disturb you and stop you to score higher or having a large amount of money. So this is the second advantage of joining our company. So what is the third advantage of joining our company? Is that if once you join and you can have this plan instantly. Why? Because our plan is half done. We have 73 satellites covering the whole world now, but this network is not complete. We need more money to eject more satellites into the sky and make it better and make it more safe and make the information flow better. If you get the information at once, that you can know when you should send your goods and when you should put more money into investment. So this is another better. Give me a second. I'm not knowing what I'm talking about. Yeah. Uh, yes. So maybe you want to ask. We already have X-73 satellites in the sky, and it's very and a very large area can be covered. So why do we need more? Because we want to make it perfect. Because if you only have 73 satellites, the network is not complete, and the transmission of and the information can be very difficult because um, uh, uh, mm, uh, yes. No, no, no. uh, yeah. And yeah, because we don't have enough money, so we want to make a crowdfund because we need another more $500 million in order to build and eject all the satellites. Um, may, maybe maybe you can give us some money to enjoy uh, 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 yeah. That is a very important thing that I miss. Because in order to control maybe you will have a question of that. How can us control the uh, how can we control the flow of information? Because if we build this network and this system, the message will be in a large number, which means a large amount of message will flow each second. And normal computer or the normal system cannot afford this kind of flows of data. So in order to solve this problem, we also need a little bit amount of money to invent the best technology we can have. It's the quantum computer. Yes, this may sound ridiculous, but the quantum computer is used the latest quantum technology, which can make the energy, no, not energy, the data, uh, data, data that can make it to deal with, make it have the running speed of 10 million bytes per second, which is a very fast. And we can, yes, if you want to join our project, you can contact me through 23850. So yes, okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.